In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the horn assembly on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located in the front of the engine bay, next to your windshield wiper reservoir. Let's get started. We're going to reach down and remove the connector for the horns. We're going to push on the black tab and pull it off the assembly. The tab for the unlock is right there. Pull that connector straight down. Remove the bolt for the horn assembly using a 10mm socket. Remove the bolt for the horn assembly. Try not to drop the bolt the best you can and pull it out. Pull the horn assembly down around the automatic transmission cooler line under the ECM and out of the vehicle. Install the horn assembly the same way it came out. Get the bolt installed for the horns and get it started by hand. I'm using a second hand to push the top of the horn assembly up to take the pressure off the bolt so it's easier to turn, like this. Snug the bolt down. Get it nice and tight. Install the connectors. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.